What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Life of Juice back at it with another video. As you can see, it's a winter storm in Minnesota. Man, look how deep the snow is. Got the Scatpack all under the snow, man. Look, snow everywhere. You see it on my face? Look, I got the shovel because I got a shovel. But look, today's gonna be a crazy video because we're gonna take it out and test it out, see how it is in the winter time. I don't got snow tires on right now, so I'm gonna give you guys a recommendation if you should drive a Scat without a snow tire or with a snow tire. But from there, we're gonna do like side street, main street, and then we're gonna do highway to test it out and see how it really is. But follow me, babe. We're gonna give you guys a cold start real quick. Gonna give you guys a real cold start. Ooh, it's cold, huh, baby? Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all. I gotta finish shoveling so we can get out. It's real cold right now. It's like Antarctica. Oh my God, that thing sounds amazing. Yeah, it's a whole winter storm out here.
I gotta do this so no snow get on the seat.
Look at the 392. Can't even see it right now. Come on, babe, get in. Too cold for this, man.
Oh.
Look at her.
No.
She like a Eskimo.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, y'all, man. It's so cold out here. Got the Scat outside. About to do that drive for y'all. And then tell y'all how it is. Man, it's so cold. It's so cold, y'all. Let me get in the Scat. Oh. Yeah, we're finally in the Scat. Oh my God, it's so cold out there. It's like snowing real bad too. So we're gonna test this thing out and see how it is. Let's see how the braking is right now. Okay, no sliding. The brake is firm. Yeah, it drives good right now, y'all. It drives amazing. It's just cold. I just wanted to do this video for y'all, just tell y'all how it is living in Minnesota with a wide-body Scatpack. Man. Look at this, you can barely see anything. The road hasn't even been plowed yet. So far, so good. Give it a little gas. Yeah. This car is going so slow.
You can't see.
And I'm in the Scatpack flying.
Over there you can see it's a lot of snow.
Yeah. Yeah, you see it. I'm gonna roll down the window. Y'all see that?
Ooh.
Man, it's a winter storm blizzard. I'm gonna tell you one thing. This is not snow tire. So I would recommend you to go get some snow tire for your Scatpack if you're driving in winter condition like this. Because I can feel it a little bit of me sliding, fishtailing, but not really too much. It's just, as long as you don't put too much force into your car and you know how to control it, you should be alright. Why are you stopping? It's not a stop sign. People can't see nothing. Look at this person. Oh my God. Oh, that's crazy living in Minnesota. Scared to go through this. Go, buddy. We're gonna be one stuck Scatpack. Nope, we're fine. Look at this guy. He's on the curb. You can move a little bit over. Yeah, but it's driving pretty good. I feel like the Scat is handling well. Didn't really have no issue with braking, coming to a stop sign. When I gassed, it really didn't fishtail or spin too much. Kind of got the grip. But I would prefer some snow tires on these. Slim body, wide body, anything. Put some snow tires on if you live in the Midwest that has a lot of snow. Well, we're about to go onto a main road right now to see how it is. I think the main road should be more fairly better because they usually plow it. We're gonna see right now. Oh man, it's cold. What you think about this, babe? Would you drive in this?
No.
I know you'll be scared. Oh, look, we're fishtailing. But we still have grip. Yeah, everything is good so far. It looked like the plows haven't even been outside at all yet. It's just, everything is, woo-wee. Let them see your window. You see that plow truck right there? Plowing. You need to come help us. Look at him. Ooh. That was our first fishtail right there. I gave it a little too much gas. I can turn this down a little bit. Oh, we're in slushy snow right now. You hear it hitting the bottom? Because the scat is so low, we're plowing through snow right now. We're the snow plow. Hey buddy, that's risky. Couldn't even see. Yeah, it's pretty good so far. Can barely see right now. This was the best idea ever. To drive in a winter snowstorm. We'll be fine. As long as I can see. And it's so dark because my car is tinted. It's so dark. You're like, can I see? Can I not? Look at all this snow. We're growing through it. Let's take it on the highway. We're about to go hit the highway right now. See how it is. Highway should be okay.
I cannot see anything.
Yep. Yeah, we're going on the highway right now. It's not too bad right now. I'm not gonna go too fast either. It's actually my first time driving the Widebody Scat in the snow, because it's been in the shop for so long that I never got a chance to even drive it or put like snow tires in it and stuff like that. But right now we're doing good. I'm gonna merge real quick. Scat doing pretty good. Yeah, this is a big storm too. It's crazy. Ooh. Look how slippery it is right there. And everybody's going about 20 miles per hour right now in the 60. Everybody's like, yo, we're not testing this thing out. Do I prefer you to drive in this type of snowstorm? I wouldn't prefer you if you care about your car like I care about my car. I didn't even want to come outside, but I was like, hey, you know, content is content, so I'm gonna make it. But yeah, I wouldn't prefer driving in this blizzard stuff right here. This is crazy right here. Look, like you can barely even see. Pretty good though. What you think about the car driving in the winter, babe?
It's alright. I just can't see. It's dangerous.
Yeah, it's really dangerous in the Scat.
I know a lot of people probably missing their exits and stuff.
Yeah, because
Can't see right now.
Like we just seen one person earlier was driving on the curb. I was like, wait, hold on. Driving the Scat in a blizzard snowstorm. As y'all can see, look. It's crazy out here. Look at that car. Really crazy, y'all. Woo. I'm going 25 miles per hour. Doing pretty good. Scat is doing pretty good. But yeah, you can barely see in person. It looks different from the camera because the camera kind of pick up more. But in person, you can barely see ahead of this car in front of me.
The car is the spirit once they get up there.
Now we can gas a little bit. I'm going about 30 miles right now. And man, it's like a blizzard. Ooh, it's crazy. But the Scat is doing good. I never drove like a Scatpack during the snowstorm. I drove my Jeep SRT in the snowstorm, and you know the Jeep is 4-wheel drive, so it was just plowing through stuff. But the Scat is actually pretty good. It's doing better than I expected. Yeah, it's doing good.
Inside of the car is wet.
Yeah, the inside of the car is all wet from us getting in. Look, my door. I'm gonna try to take this exit right here and see how it handles it. I can't really see. Oh, not too bad. Woo, that's a lot of snow. It went through it, y'all. Scatpack doing this thing. Let's see how it does right here. Look, SRT Jeep right there. He's going through snow. It's actually not too bad, y'all. It's not too bad to drive the Scat in the snow. Even with regular P0 tires, it haven't given me too much trouble. But as you can see right there, I was sitting at a light for too long. Kind of gave me a little bit of issue. But if you drive it with care and you drive it with caution and stuff, you'll be okay. But I do prefer you guys to go get that snow tire ASAP if you live in the Midwest like us. Look at this big snow. Feel that? Woo! We're in a snowstorm. Everybody's driving super cautious right now. Imagine driving this to work at 5 in the morning, y'all. I work at 5 in the morning. Imagine it was like this at 5 in the morning. I cannot see. Oh man, I'll probably call in like I put in my PTO today. It'll be crazy. Everybody's getting stuck. Last snowstorm, we had so many car crashes we seen. I think we were still in our rental, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All the cars on the side of the road.
Yeah. I should not be on the side right here. I should be in the middle. It's okay. Scatpack get through anything. You see they got their hazards on. Because they don't want to go too fast or too slow. Oh.
What's going on?
Dead stop traffic.
And everybody's spaced out a lot too.
Yeah, I'm spaced out about a car length right now because, you know, I'm driving in the Scat. I don't want to slip on ice or anything, and I just got my car out, so definitely don't want that thing back in the shop, man. This thing is treating us pretty good, though. I think it's a car accident or something up here. I'm stuck in dead stop traffic. As y'all can see, I'm stuck in traffic right now, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but it's snowing. It's snowing so bad. Look at this. Look at this girl. You cold? This is my baby Eskimo, y'all. He's super cold. I think I'm gonna move over because I don't know what's going on over there, but I think it's an accident.
Someone was speeding.
Somebody was speeding, huh? And then next minute, kapow!
Now everyone's in traffic.
Yeah, y'all. If y'all are driving to work, anywhere, grocery stores and stuff like that, family houses, if you're in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Chicago, Detroit, anywhere around here, New York, the storm is coming right now, y'all. So be careful if you drive anywhere, you know, be cautious of where you're going. And if you have a Scat, put it up. If you have a Hellcat, definitely put it up, y'all. Just be safe, you know, and if you do drive it, just make sure you're safe. You know, that's what we're doing right now. We're going 4 miles per hour on a 65 miles per hour highway. I think somebody did crash. The big truck must have got stuck or something. Come on, come on, come on, truck. Safety is my goal. Call that number if he does anything wrong. Yeah, this truck must have stalled out or got stuck. Oh, it looked like he hit something.
Oh yeah, his front bumper is off.
Yeah, his front bumper was off. Oh my god. I'm going so slow right now. That's how it's actually looking. Oh, it's blowing in her face. People are probably looking at us like, are they really driving a Scatpack? A Widebody Scatpack right now?
Oh, I can't even see them.
Yeah, it's dead stop traffic again. Snow got in your face. Yeah, I can open this a little bit, get some. Look, show them that. It's snow. It's stuck. That's how deep it is. Man. Look at y'all. Our house is over that way. Snow is so bad. Whoa, what the heck? I don't know. Look at him, he looking at me, he's in the Scatpack. I'm like, man. Yeah, a piece of snow just came through my window. Man, this is crazy, y'all. Look at that. Somebody already got their car towed. Y'all, this car really just went into the snowbank and got stuck. Look at this car right here. You see him, babe?
Oh, wow.
Everybody right now is getting stuck everywhere. Oh, jeez. God. Yeah, y'all. If y'all are outside right now, driving, or tomorrow, be careful. Because it's really, really slippery out here. Look, I'm getting stuck already. I'm trying to merge over. I see a clearance. I'm going.
Snow all on the doors.
Yeah, y'all. It's really bad out here now. It's getting worse and worse. Tomorrow is going to be so bad because everything is going to be iced out. Oh, we got cars stuck everywhere. It's not good. But I give the Scat 8 out of 10 for handling well as we speak, as we're doing this video. It's doing absolutely amazing. Better than I expected it. So, if you guys want to drive in the winter, I prefer it. But in a blizzard, I wouldn't prefer it because like the visibility and stuff like that is hard to see. And then, you know, you probably don't want to mess up your car because these are expensive cars, and you know, we care a lot for our own cars and stuff. So I would put it up and just stay home, you know, watch a movie, play your video games, do some work on your laptop, edit your video or something, you know. And then if you have other vehicles, I prefer you to, you know, really use your other cars and stuff. Let's see how this corner is gonna turn. We're kind of in the deep snow right now. Look at him. Can't see. Yeah. Can't see, huh?
Yeah, you can see it.
Sorry, babe. I got snow all on your lap.
Everywhere.
So, y'all, our camera died on us. And I forgot my battery at home. So, we're going to record it off of my iPhone. But, yeah, as you can see from the highway, 2 cars already crashed. I don't think they crashed into anybody. They crashed on their own because they can't see the visibility and stuff. And then right when our camera had shut off, we were on that on-ramp and we were taking that left turn. I kind of got stuck right there just a little bit. I had to give it a little power. But yeah, y'all, that's where we're at right now. We're on the way back to the house because we don't want to be out here in this broke condition right now. Look at it, it's just getting worse and worse. Look at that truck, he almost slipped. Yep, we're gonna go home right now. Oh my God, can't believe this. I wonder how it's gonna be going up this hill. That's why I came this way. I told y'all I wanted to put the Scat to the test, and we're putting this beast to the test today. Luckily, nothing bad happens yet. You know, we got the tow truck on alert. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want no tow truck. I don't want nothing right now. I just want to make it home safe and park this beast. And then tomorrow, maybe get a car wash or something when it gets a little better. Look at this, we're going up a hill right now. I need everybody to gas. We can't be going slow. Actually, the Scat is actually doing good. Look, I'm going about 16 miles per hour. No traction control, nothing is really going off. I'm just kind of gliding. Yeah, it's doing good. It's doing better than I expected. And this is just regular P0 tires. And y'all say we can't do it in the Scat? We're doing it in the Scat, in a blizzard, in a Minnesota. Oh, in a Minnesota blizzard. I kind of fishtail right there. Maybe Mother Nature was like, hey, stop talking shit. But yeah, y'all, we just made it up the hill. That was good. Everybody's going super slow right now. Oh my God. I can't believe this. I got the Scat in a snowstorm. Look at this car. BMW.
Sliding a little bit.
Yeah. Look at these cars. Look at this car, babe. Look at the power of the Scat. Whoa, whoa, go, buddy. Scat doing pretty good. Better than I expected. Even like trucks like these are having trouble. Look at that car over there, babe. You don't. Scat doing good. Scat just turning. I had to give it a little gas. It's a lot of snow right here. Snowplow haven't been out. You hear that? It's amazing, y'all. It's amazing to have a car so powerful like this and two-wheel drive rear at that, and it's able to get through snow and stuff like this. I've seen four-wheel drive cars getting stuck already and stuff. So if you are cautious of what you're doing and you're be careful, you'll be okay in the Scat. I recommend you to at least try it one time. At least try it in the snowstorm, you know, just to get a feeling of it, get the use of it. Because we live in Minnesota, so we're used to snowstorm. We're used to how people are driving and stuff like that, and we're able to cope with it. So that's how I'm doing it. You know, I'm driving careful. That's what you have to do in this type of weather. It's starting to die down right now. The snow is starting to die down. Not really snowing like that. It was fun doing this video because it's my first time driving in the snow, and it's a blizzard. It's a blizzard snowstorm in Minnesota. So it was kind of fun to me, you know. And we don't stop for stop sign right here because I'm not getting stuck. Everybody's outside. Whoa. Look at this. Look how deep this is. Feel it? Definitely not stopping. But y'all, we made it. We made it. We made it. Let's see how it's gonna be getting in. Oh, I got stuck. You know what that means? I have to shovel more. But I'm gonna go in my neighbor's driveway. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna push it. Go push it up there. Go, Scat, go! Go, Scat, go! Oh, no, Scat! That car. All right, y'all. We're doing the Minnesota technique now. We're doing the Minnesota technique. We're going for it. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how it is. Look how deep it is. Oh man. Oh man. I should have shoveled. The Scat now is stuck. But yeah, we're stuck right now. But the scat looks so good. So good. So all that time we were on the road, everything was fine until we got home. Check this out, y'all. Look at the beast. My girl's trying to help me. Look at this, y'all. We got stuck. I knew I should have shoveled. Snow plow. Look, we got stuck right here. And now we're stuck right here. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get the scat out real quick and move it forward so we can park it. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, whew, we finally made it out. We were stuck right here. It was all ice. We're about to get our snowblower out and do this whole driveway. Look at my girl. Thanks, bro. But yeah, y'all, we made it home. Thing looks absolutely amazing. Oh. If you don't have to go nowhere and you drive a scat, don't go nowhere, y'all. Mostly in the winter storm. Look at that. Thing look like a beast. But yeah, man, I want to say thank you for watching this video. I appreciate all of you for subscribing and everything like that. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm so blessed to be here, so blessed to have this car. We're starting on our build now. We're starting back on our channel because we got the car back. And I want to tell all of y'all, I thank y'all for everything that y'all do for me, supporting me and being here for me. And I always said, biggest dream you have, keep chasing it. And one last thing, y'all, like this video and please, please, y'all, subscribe to my channel so we can get to 1K by at least 2-3 months, whatever, how long it takes. We're gonna get there. We're gonna grind hard. We're gonna get there. But hit that subscribe button for me, please. I'll see y'all in the next video.